maka ubada because the emekwa ko bie me nan ama sabi convince ni bi ene me adra na oma misika de me Joyce aka me de be drive Uber and I'm got to a refugee camp Germany refugee camp or Hamburg for 7 good months after a year me interview. Omo year me interview no me kan me wi asemu semu nyina kire omo say Ghana na meti no asitire mo ya dia ma me and me de me videos ni bi bae any newspapers ni bi say like abrofo ne mbo am say de be ya mesimi ayeden ababetina Germany and I'm see you 10 months 10 good months and son of mama me reply refugee camp no I mean can be been true Hamburg refugee camp yeah ma kwan se kwana koto nyama na be aduane because kitchen aye aduane edi ebi ni refugee camps kitchen yetimi koye aduane se bia Ghana ni amaba brochire me kondo benku anasa me kondo fufuo anasa me kondo emo me pesa me nua amu na medi enti me ko refugee camp hona ye makwa go soja debi aduane ye de be ma ono eno na ubedi aduane ye be ma refugee camp hono eno na obeye den ubedi nti anopa ni asa line tin former ace ambassador almighty Joyce Jomensa the richest ace ambassador in Ghana the richest woman with $3 million the richest ambassador with $3 million na masa line e refugee camp brodo bare brodo ide ma no tea bread ide 1 week Ghana tea bread ide 1 week no refugee camp brodo no tea bread ide 1 week say o risa brodo na wan ri ni year wan no be papai wan no ebe ye kro I'm telling you debia brodo ni tea anopa brodo bare tea any fruit ewia obekọ no ni aye aduane basa ewia obekọ no ebi o mutumi wi emu froye nka ho na o maye bibi ti se milk wa imagine say Ghana ni say me pesa me wi akokọ a me to akokọ me steam ho me di hwintia pepre me di hwintia ginger any ade wo di best steam nam no pu yeah na abrofwe aye anua emo na ye de milk bi egu akoko na hu tese bibi basa wudi a obefe se wudi a ummia weni na wudi a obefe enti anopa akwakosa line akwakoji brodo bare ewia ni asa line tin ni akwakoji emu basa bi ni ehun milk peche bi na makwakoji na mi da kwakotu bole mu na meti wona ekom de me na meti refugee camp na ekom de me I'm sharing my life story with you na we mo say nipa to kwankwa brochire a na sabi mo Ghana ho na mo frɛ nipa na di kai pisa se nipa yi ohu ye na wa frɛ no we bisa ene we didi wo fra no we bisa menua edan etine mu kra no wanye bi atene mu ana frɛ ne bisa ansa na we bisa sika why na mo Ghana fo mu nua no bebre gugu refugee camp no kra no mo nka nkyere mu ntia because ferry it's a shame it looks like a shame like embarrassing to tell your friends say abroche na me won refugee camp na that no be dem atasa me dan kitchen me nyanya dan nti be amiti I had to say refugee camp there but I had a nice see me bia na 2017 me got na you know and I me nipa bia won say nipa bebre to kwankwa brochire a say oni asiti na otimi kope obi one room bi ebia be 200 euro bi ya na say bia 300 euro bi every month na owia no ho ye dwuma kakra na otua na restrictions e what that kind of apartment you know ebia akwaji obi one room nipa na e Ghana ni odinene emfa mo bia mesra ade chi a nsuo no yusu no dodo ade be chi si dware only once a day me mpe nhyeso se obi be hye me so de me mpe inti refugee camp no eho ya ma me since me kwakọ na obi one room na mama me me obi mesra ndware 2 times a day and I was a kanya ni dum no ade be chi si ubetimi ayi su kitchen only once debi me pensions when I'm in pay restrictions into refugee camp na hoye mame but a hoye time na ya salline de bia ni asalan ni akwakoji eduane to de bia wo be salline no akwakoji eduane no wo kwaji eduane na ma uda kwakotu ball mu because enye eduane a edima ni ye Ghana ni amaba brochire na emu Ghana ye nua emu ni froye to de bia otumi ye nkosua froye to de bi so otumi ye normal no wachi chicken bia tutu so na maba brochire na ma kwata refugee camp ni ama me emu ne de milk egusu se mindi na ya nua eyi chicken na chicken e de milk bi egusu how can I eat? I struggled me be brew Hamburg ha na me fa se mi kakra mi ntwem ho na me nto aso sa 2017 ho no I'm telling you the reason how do I put it? Our entertainment industry no e wo musa brofo no so they behave like that. But it be before say obi what talent we should stop say like we want to use the person. So what talent will Ghana before we break it through, whether in a music or in an acting. Someone say yeah, ni padi do any obed dano. The same thing happened here to me. 2017 me ba Hamburg, I'm in that refugee camp. And I'm meeting say omo ye program bi. I'm friend Kente Festival. Me mbo bi adin. Okay? My imagine say I'm still learning every day, each and every day. Say obi ya me boni a. Me metna me find the pictures in Google Facebook. Say me good depending on what. Me just had any here. But me can say same way. Actually nuanu mu a. Say muti abrochi na say obi eba abrochi na say oni asiti na. Yen just say ye use nipa no. Yen just say ye use nipa no. And I'm music Kente Festival and I'm here then. Me call here. I say wait you me €100. And I'm here then because I damn tall. I want to make a program, the damn tall. It's me because I. Na nipa na organize the program, no me mbo ni dim. Ono anim ni ho. Mo a mo hwe mo Hamburg mo mo nim no. Me ba na the sample man. I shouldn't say it. Kaka. Sweet Bella. Ena me kwasa o sa Kente Festival no. Ye wie program no. Nipa na organize program no me say. Fa me say ka ma me na me nkwe. O de ne Joyce try me. Program is why I'm starting in them. Ahomna chipe se 2 or se 3 bi na ye pom program no. Refugee camp am ye kwenso. Ahowa. Fa me say ka ma me na me €100 bi na me kwasha me how far de ne Joyce try me. Inti o afi o so ko ja me kwan. O di mechia afi na o se ko fa taxi. E fa taxi mami a. Abranti e sorry sanko ufie. Wan ko fie o. O santi na taxi ni musa. Ahomrachi ye ko do refugee camp. Ya na security men o. Me ni ma some of me catch security men na. O mo allow ni say like on di mechi nko fie. Ena odi mechia ekorura mi dem ho. Famisi kama mi na kofi o say, "Hey, enne ampaye ebeja. Bra is just on me dance or the music mama." Yes. Ma ba brochire, ma ba bewo, me nyina krata, ma tam me ba de nekwa Ghana. Ma sa de me ba biom, me sa ba as a refugee. Eno so ye to se me sa me nya krata. Enti no es ambassador na ye bunu no. Joyce ayeti ni dia ifin so esikeni no. Sisi anu ababroche ni ho akire no. So you want to take advantage of me? Ase man ka me nkan o. Na so nkwasi ase me of friend before so ka kire me no. Oh, me kasa ase mu se de be ya. Emmema mu abroche se oba etu kwan babroche a. Na so onim se untumi mboa na. Enkwa ha na dwen. Don't go there. Ena odi misika no, wan fa mami o. Oni bibi prince who dem hasa, cafe mafe. Sweet Bella. Ah, you are too sweet. Ya dene cafe mafe. Brian fa misika na mami, o sa di misika ko. It will this kind of call, see me also my main here. Me so phone, see me say na me kasa. Oh, I don't like. Asem no dia menka no me ya to menka. Na se me fa asem na ma be twa tro no. Oh, Debbie, me ni sa adaje no. Nti so hwe me a onima fa me ka no be kai 2017. Ya de ni cafe mafe. O sa de ni sika 100 euro no. And because Kente festival, I was in the Sika Koi. And I'm sure you if you ask the Joyce, me pa mini. And at 3 days' time, or somebody, or by refugee camp, and also Banajo. Oh, thank God, do the Missikaba, or so this Canaba. And I have people on Paniso. Cafe mafe. Hey, Mrs. Stop what you are doing. Stop what you are doing. I don't like that. Just stop it. Stop it. Me didn't stop it, Wenjai. But funny enough, no. Once any baby no, who honor say, who are thinker, me boy. It's Miss Moa thinker. Now, Obi person I know what dampo. That's a one penny. Now, mo ya cafe mafe. Eh? I didn't say, I saw me baby. If you are touchy, baby, I'm feeling bishe. Stop what you are doing. The moment I say, my family can say, do what you are stopping. I feel dear. Stop what you are doing. No, I don't know what do what you are stopping. And you are no more. You pay. Or repeat me and I say one repeat me. Or repeat me and I say one repeat me. Share. The only person my brochure one. And you some kitwa. It is hard no. Say dia because me kwasa man no. Wan fa me sika ma me. Me 100 euro wan fa ma me. About 3 days I me be die. Say my ba brochure. Me say me person me sina brochure. And sana Odi me 100 euro mami. And what is that me no obi awunti wa phone. Wa phone dey my matem. But me count she. Me say say dey me jai. Say obi ba me bonam dey no abeto social media no. Me jai ye, me nya biom. But me kai mo comment ni kakra. Enya sam ketwa. Oh no. Mommy said I love you more. I say I love you, die. Idris said, Opoku ama, ha. Esther Chetty, or see, ha, or three. Or see, Joyce, you are too funny. Na me can say. So Obi person no order. Na sa also one penny. Na me so me ba brochie no me ma me hu say me person me ne obi abeda. And I'm a kwasa because I'm no one from Sika me na wodi be chi call refugee camp ho. And I cafe mafe. And I Joyce, oh no attach me, no kwaso me baby. Me so me you feeling kakra. It is stop what you are doing. Me see me in person, stop what you are doing, sir. I call you do what you are stopping. Asam nya fem free ho. Enti refugee camp no metina ho che. Mitiwa na ye bra me letter. Say me go back to Ghana. And yes I be deport me na me. You see Ghana no a safe country. Me I want to step on this. Me person me just ask them with na me dey too obifo. Say we are Ghana ni and also free Africa. That's our brochure, especially Germany. Now back as a refugee say we are refugee. Now who story be whether the story is true or not, you know. And you no mo pay tie. The fact is that we free Ghana the eba brochure no. We free Ghana na we aba Germany say no ya ma wasitena. I just say dia we obi aware na say wawo. And I mean, my do me besa me wo. Because me, I love my body. Me nim say me wo a, me wo bi o ma me yefun be kese. Enti me say me wo. No grofo advice me say Joyce. Po bi na ne wo. She, eni anum ni adofo. Me ba brochire no sa anka wo na me pa, anka me wo di dada wo. Me obia, me nim because of it they say they me perserience, you know. Sisi na somebody is attracted. And the person will come, nipa bebre aba. Obi say, oh, mami waru. Na ya waria. Say ni say. And I say, obi a, my young nenya sitina. And I say, I will pa dear, Debbie. Enti, me dini Debbie, sir. Like, on grafo, on 24, me sure, Monsieur Joyce. The only way I bet you to Germany, no. Po bia, on also, I was sitting and then wo. And I'm just a war pa dear, me wo. And a brofuno. Edi rejection. You rejecting me. Say me person me tina krom ha no. E wa brochire ni you rejecting me. Nti you reject wa your mouth time bi. Say wa sisa oniama na go back to krom. Anya sa you be deport o. Hey. Asembe ni. Eno be ka kira me say hwe. Era when you dey come ba be rem. Nti enko. Se when nya sitina kra na emma adwuma wo ho. Emma adwuma ni de en. Sabi. Sabi ashawo. Me be ashawo wo Germany. Ashawo pa. Na me nkonko bie mi na emu. Na sabi be akwa ise bi. Sabi bia na moto mu kankan mi no me da me so. Me joy. Oh David. Sa ashawo pa dia. And I want to go and drive my Uber. Dia me de be ashawo pa dia. Me san go back to Ghana. Enti me call house you from house na behold. House na behold. Na me call catch am say oh me person me call back to me chrome so mutual ticket mama. And I say oh yes I don't know when age. And na me fa me ba prince and na me call house na behold. And I catch me so okay. In about 2 months time, you know, me ticket very ready. Not my the must go back to Ghana. 2 months now mo share me no. Sada na me call office 1 week pepe na mo bra me letter say in 3 days time na be family for Ghana. Yes ma nya hu gwe bia. Eneja. Say e be deport me na me passport mo be say die. Me a me ko. E na me de masem ko to o manim. E na mo ye den. O me fa me. E de me call airport. E na pa, me san call back to Ghana. Hey, me go do Ghana 2018. So me ba 2017. And I call back to Ghana 2018. She said, na me ra home me say, hey, abrabo mi born the same ni. Inti me dia brocha kon ya ba say ya. Me di haka. Sa wo hwe me na me nia me bia me ya na ya ofe. Anasi nyakopa ma me nim die ni nyanse bia me tumi die nya me bia. Na se unti ase a, ent na ho ne se be se me nkeka nkwase asem. Come close to me, be some say me nia o ye ni se na me nchiro. Na ahoye a ne enibre e wo Ghana fo mu nti no obi koso a ye mbisa ne say oh chire me show me the way na ye be fa me baby ameti me ne me ba prince and they me call back to airport all the way to Kotoka International Airport abrochire my baba try that was the 3rd time I'm ba Germany emu bia ni wa eye and the jam san call back to Ghana. I feel me go Ghana na depression won actually me rough. Na my so depressed. Say, hey. Na me come use Ghana ma ton kan this kan. Te say me ba Ghana na me ni shi. Shi ni kutire yem. Me ni shi. And I bro for e dey send me call Ghana. Hey. Eni esu. Anopa me to me so sa na ade asa. Me ma me be aduane me say me di. Yes, Bella. You want to speak? Mommy is speaking too much, so you want to speak some. Say something to me, sweetheart. Sweet Bella. Sweet Bella. Sweet Bella. Sweet Bella. Sweet Bella. Yeah. And I'm in Ghana. Ministry. As ambassador. I see me what $3 million. Refugee camp, me be share refugee camp almost 1 year. Our Germany. Brodo Barry. Brodo Barry. I said, be brother in 1 week. And I miss Uncle Ghana. And I in the mini car bio, mini car. And see Uber na miss Uncle drive, you know. This is because you a big car. Who car bembo mattress Daiwo mattress. Is it mattress or mattress? Apotro car kisi. And the jam kwa je ya fe Uber for say a comprehensive insurance. Hey, better now I make a almost a comprehensive insurance. Better take this. I know you love this. Take this. Now I'm going to comprehensive insurance. And I'm going to pay car. Papa me say, oh no, I bet saying, is it 7 million a week? I see me here, Jumana mean man 7 million a week. Now every month to bet you, is it 5 million? Me really fix it and no to yameno. Ain't you know? Me here, Jumana mean to your car owner no 7 million every week. Ah, maybe 7 million, 5 million. 5 million. And I'm a panic, I'm a panic, make me a 4 million. Because me back no Uber sister. Uber antisa first na. Ufa obia. Uber before I drop in the panana request aba. Before I drop a rider, right? A passenger and a friend rider. Before I drop a rider, no, na request is here no. So Ufa Uber. Na me as a driver no. Me nam kwan mu sa. Me fa obi na me drop in the pana. Me jina fa ko be 1 hour kra no bi amfrɛ me. E be do we kwa me ka me phone na say na obi a complain say just say cars na e be break wa system ni monti no. Uber aye so eyi. And me papa ne cho say 5 million no anu odi. Me yenya ne 4 million. O say 5 million de no nkwa no betimi aye. Hey. I me call rent it dan do what Teshi. Teshi gets in. I want na me take. Now no pa no mafa kai na me de ko. She, me free abroche ba Ghana. I me bet try ya menya sitina. I me say go back to Ghana no. Na eya bo me dan. Na eya fa me trimu. Inti me to me nda. Me so ya no pa on esu nko a. E na me catch them say, "Hey. Inti me pa na me hwan ye mobo sa no." Na mo na mo si Mahama ni me da. Na me kama na me is ambassador no. Na me a small girl. Na me a slim. When they catch them say Mahama per slim girls. Mahama per slim girls so. Enye na ma wo amenya body ni kra me mpe. She Mahama per slim girls so. In the time na me is ambassador no. Na me a very slim. Very slim. Good. Afi Uber say me ko give pay car. Me car ni sa. Me nya request. Hey, edema asemuni. 4 million 5 million a week. Afi me ya afi na me 4.5 450 cedi 4.5 million. 4.5 million. And I'm going to office of Virginia car. Or see car no drivers be brave train car. And it is to me near 5 million now. Or Virginia car in back. And that could be or be find the car coy. Or Sanji car ni free me save. Then the Sumbeka to be Ubeka you see me ye. Me soon ye. Because then it's a car no gia. Me I don't know how I'm going to feed myself. Me ready say me kochiche mpuna na coffee fa me mana omni me ada. Me pesa de no. Me I'm not saying say me too holy o. Me too holy o. But obiani ade a ompe. Say me bia me na mu ama oba me bia me ni feeling bia ma no so on me nda no. Na o ma miskandi de. Enya ka kom nkumi mum. It means na teshi honum eche pa. And I miss no. Mesan kwa bruchiri. Because I am missing on mesan kwa bruchiri. I say Joyce, this is the third time or the fourth time of our bruchiri. Anye ye. Who san kwa den wa bruchiri? I'm saying, ma, I want to try again. Abrochiri no me ba, you see me wo na ma fa me bag na me ko. Me ba esi me wo na me pesa me wo na ma fa me bag na me ko. Enti enya me samba na me wadanfo broni bi. E me ta post no won. Me wona fofo abrofo. Nti me samba back to Germany 2018. December 2018 and I'm samba back to Abrochiri. And I me buy and I'm san echo. Me sade me hu ko sha ban mu say my samba refugee. Na still and me call Ghana cry me ni baby ti. And I be say me say na wo ye den na wo cha ticket buy. And I me say o bi dum fo na ma me sika. Na me say ko ti visa e ma me ba prince bi mo. Na nkopon a o hata soro. A oni makume mu. Na oni madwuma pa me be ye ma me man Ghana. Ni etu ma jeje mu. Na baby ameda me ni bi. Eduane amedi me ni bi. Sika bi ni beto eduane pa ma me ba ama na edi bi no me ni bi no. Nyankopon onda he. Even pose Nyankopon bi ani baby akra na. Meaning say there are forces, there are spirits omoni yeti asasi so. Say Nyankopon bi ani baby akra na. Is patient na ya misa ekosra mo. Ebe wa miniska ho na ma fatika na ma kwakoto pampers, diapers. Na ma tu eduane na ma kwakosra ho. Bebre wu. Nyankopon no hata asro no. A onim yakoma mu no. Just wa mama nsa anya den ensi fom. Enti me san kosa me kwa akwaji visa bio. Enuano mo. Anga hwe ni party se me. Amakwakoye program. A mini sika. Mini bebiti. Mini she. Esi dey na because ji visa. Third time. Emma me ba ma baba wu na brochire. A me nya krata. Me ba na nya krata. Bisa ho say ya den e sama me visa bio. E wo Ghana. A long story. Enuano mo. Who me say de bia meni agina me sa ho. Minim dia ma fem. A me dum pempen so bia. Na eye me say me mfa eduro na me num na me wu. Na atu say me wu keke na mako. Yes, Bella. Yes, mommy is a bit emotional. So you are also emotional. But that is life, sweetheart. That is life. Okay? Life is not easy. Life is not easy. The that is how they were brochire. Why? A brochire ba. Anna. Me sakwaji visa bio. Sa visa no on. Na me ni say ye mame. Anna onye obi na invite me say me nkwankwaji visa. Like me nya na me call like me see me pese me tu kwan kwa brochire. Eniano mu ni adofo. Anna me ba prince a oni nkrata. Ma ba wu na brochire me nya krata ma no. Me sa visa ma no two different occasions. Esa de ba brochire bio. Into December 2018, and I'm ba brochire Germany, Hamburg bio, and I'm call as a refugee and I me go to refugee camp bio. Brodo Barry, Anopa Brodo, Area Brodo, Anaju Brodo. Just say ye ni kitchen, ye me ma o kwan say ye nya kitchen na mankasa ko to bibi na be ye duane na di. Ye ni sa they don't have anything like that. Maybe refugee camp one because of say them be me hona de bia me bonyum na nkwala no refugees nkwala no mo betwa me hwehia ne yesa de bia me sa I am always dancing because me yakola kitikiti no I suffered a lot of rejection because I didn't live with my biological father, okay? And never me bre rejected me. Into yes no na the only thing am me ji say me tisi obi bonyum a me tisi obi bonyum na ma kwa gina ni dan echi na me na makwa ko gina edan na echi na me ye den na me sa this man tisi obi ye party na me ko de bia baby anyum obia fiti when I was a little girl de bia anyum ye bonyum bia e na me de anyi a besi nne this man tisi ye bonyum because enu kwa na ya dia e ma manage nti so obi ye ni bibia unim bia nti a wo ye. Don't judge people by appearance. Don't ever judge anybody in this life by their appearance. Obi o ha opanyum, obi o ha obi ani ade ope because obia wo bibia o free eba. Obia wo ni childhood story. Oh. Asem ni kwa me do hi. Nti me san ba Germany ni me san ko refugee camp as a refugee bio. And then there anche kra na mo bra me letter say Joyce, me de ba ejijo. Yasama me letter say, uni asitna o Germany ha. Like uni any tangible reason bia. E wasi ye de ma o paper set na krom anti. Era fa o bag na kwa ukrom. Victoria said, we love you, honey. Don't cry. Oh, today don't cry. Thank you. Aisha Ankra say, lovely baby, thank you. Ohima Araba says, God bless you. God bless you too, dear. Justice says, tell them all. Nana says, tell them. And Bonnie Apple, I say, ask again, did she come to see her bleaching? Oh, bleaching. Sha, muka de mupewai. Mi sana na mi ekokowai. Nti sa usa na sa ekokọ na sa unyi na oye tuntum na sa usra ngu papa, ukara ne samba back. Nti wo de muka de mupe na mi fimu. Nti November, sorry, last year, 2019. Oh no. Ena ye ka kire me se me ye de me san come back to Ghana. Sa bre no na abro nye DC. Ase wakwa petition say me made the $3 million inti no. Ye pe me achi mo Ghana. Eh. Inti me nya ho depression e koda hospital. Me koda hospital okrum ha. Nya asem ketua. Hwe me wa brofo nna fufuo. A omo ye mpenifo. Mmema mpenifo. A se me pese me worry broni a. Anka me worry easily. Me nka se me ho ofedodo nti dem achi nsi me. It's not about beauty. Oh Bella, mami kasa kakra why? Me doba Bella. Me doba Bella. How can I give you to play with? Me ma ho ofeno enchensu to the extent he said, me dem nkwa na me ma eba ma kwem, but just said for some reasons and I don't know. Obi o person worry me say me mpene. Obi person me or me wo me. I don't know why I na ma so aye den. Ah, nye me wo say me tumi ye ni intention na me nya nkrata wa ha no. Bibia me say me mpese me ye. I don't understand. Now ya some bring me letter of refugee camp wo say me ye den. Me say come back to Ghana. Hey. Sweet Bella. Sweet Bella. Sweet Bella. Mommy is giving all the attention to her Facebook followers, eh? Don't mind mommy, okay? Don't mind mommy, okay? So what does that when you come you? Yes, see me say go back to Ghana biome. Yes, somebody deporting me. Now deportation we no. I see you be deporting me no. And no me go Ghana me say for that prison no. Because I brought you this, you say me did $3 million. And I me say rade my bread. My bread. Because the dog a funny say, oh, I want to kill myself. I'm gonna say the end. I'm say no, be me. The end. I'm say me to me call Ghana. I brought phone say me inquire say be deport me to me call back to Ghana. Na me call that prison was come in the year. Obi am sacrifice me why program. Now I come kume no. Me san call back to Ghana. Na ya family go to prison. Oh, and the drama no drama. Oh, Epping North Cranking House. I told you to go down the crime, sir. Hey, share hospital. Hanu. Me to be go down the crime. Now they say, cars need now stop it. Me display me say, me in Ghana. Oh, Bell. Me display me say me in Ghana. Now young me say me my bread. Program back into my bread boy basa. My bread. Yeah. Bella. Tutu. 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 And this ya did musa. Hospital one me call die. Oh Bella. Please, I beg you. I beg you. And now you want to play with your toys. You want to play with your toys. Toy. It was for me back a cry. Mama, just 1 minute. See Bella. See Bella. Kiki. Hey, yeah. Me catch the doctor for no helping of say oh. Say me ko Ghana pa upon brama brani or babesia madani Uber driver or Ghana. And there me kwa koda hospital ho. Me kwa koda Lord the kwama my Lord car fam suna mewu. me nkọ Ghana de didi musa ni na emu no anytime bia me if you hospital wa me ko die kwa de bia me video amesa share ini anomo me ti ho no ya kan kire me say me nya sitina o Germany nti me fa me bag na me nkọ Ghana e na me ka kire me ho say de me de be ko Ghana ni edi me akọhye prison wo sika me ndi ye no e de mewu into the year 2019 oh me started me saw on Facebook naked me to me best saw on Facebook only with my pants me shashwe na ma ka kire me ho say body no enche bia me bewu